AFP and PNP, and they recommended to us to continue itong heightened security measures. I can't go into the details, no? But kasama ko si Senator Ping, si SP Soto. We met with SP Soto kasi ang chairman ng National Defense Committee. So we met with AFP and PNP para pag-usapan itong threats. Bottom line is they recommend for us to continue to be proactive and continue implement yung heightened security measures natin. Humingi rin kami ng suporta sa kanila sa pagbibigay ng intelligence information dahil sila lang naman may intelligence information network. So tuloy-tuloy yung pag-collaborate at coordinate namin sa
Yung
kanila.
committee hearings muna, sir, para walang visitors? Ganun ba?
This week wala naman nakaschedule na committee hearings.
In the weeks to come, sir?
We'll take it week by week. No? Ginagawa ko every week, nagko-coordinate kami with the agencies. Si General Corpus last week nasa NICA and nasa NBI. So every week gagawin ko, I'll coordinate with this intelligence agency.
Then sir, magkakaroon ng comprehensive SSI sa buong premises ng Senate?
Yes, this is in preparation for tomorrow's special session, and as well as yung security threat na nakukuha natin. So tuloy-tuloy yung aking coordination until malaman natin na wala nang ganitong threat or pwede na natin ma-manage yung mga ganitong
And
threat.
the armed threat remains to be armed group na susugod sa Senado? Remains to be that?
Kasama na rin yun. No? Kasama na rin yun.
So,
So,
tama ba,
ako,
sir?
ang trabaho ko kasi is maging paranoid para maging safe ang mga empleyado, safe kayo lahat. No? So I'm doing this in order to make sure na safe ang mga empleyado natin at premises natin.